So, parents and students, I just got this awesome order off of Amazon. Let's see what's inside. What do we have? Oh, we got some wrapping. Looks like they wanted to protect it. All right. Oh, it's that equation I ordered. We've got 54 divided by 8. That looks like a pretty good equation. I hope they provided some instructions on how to solve this. I think they did. Let's see. Oh, here's step 1. It looks like we've got one of the steps. It's saying that they want us to use repeated subtraction. I think this is a pretty good idea, and so far I'm impressed. All right, let's see what the next part of this is. So 54 divided by 8. Oh, there it is. This is cool. What they've done is they actually provided me with one of the factors. They said that 8 times 3 equals 24. I think this is a part that we're going to be able to use in solving this pretty soon. Let's see what we've got. Yep, here it is. Here's where it fits right in. So it looks like what we're doing is we're taking that 24, which remember was 8 times 3, and we're subtracting it from the 54. This looks like repeated subtraction. And then we're going to have 30 left over. It looks like in green they've made it nice and clear for us that we have 3 groups of 8 over there. 3 groups of 8. Okay. All right. Oh, there's the other part. We could, because we weren't done yet. So we've now got 24. We're subtracting 24 again, and that's going to leave us 6. And once again, they've noted nice and clearly that there are 3 groups of 8 in this 24. Pretty cool. All right. Now we had that 6. We've got 3. Oh, this makes sense. Okay. So they've taken the 2 3s now, the 2 groups of 3 8s, and they put them together. So that's 6 total groups of 8 is what they've got in this box. That's pretty cool. So far, I'm really impressed with this product. Looks like they've made it pretty clear. Again, it would be 6 groups of 8. When you divide 54 divided by 8, you'd have 6 groups of 8. Huh. But they had that one thing left over. Let's see, what else is in? Oh, here they are. Here are the 6 pieces left over, it looks like. So this looks like this would be what's the remainder. It would be a remainder of 6. So we would have 6 groups of 8 with a remainder of 6 to go as well. So far, I really like this product, and hopefully we'll open something else soon.